Hello and welcome to the Victory Forge. In this video, I made Charmander wearing a Charizard hoodie and he's going camping. I made Charmander using my FlashForge Inventor 3D printer, white Diorama PLA filament, and then I immediately spray painted it with an orange base coat. It wasn't until I had started painting that I had decided I wanted to include an entire scene, and this base just isn't going to do the trick, so I had to remove it. After I finished Charmander's painting, I added some UV resin to the eyes and some UV resin mixed with orange paint to the tail to add a glossy effect. After finishing all of Charmander's final details, I gave the entire model a clear coat matte finish and moved on to making the base. I had decided that I wanted to make a little camping scene for Charmander to live in, and so I printed and painted a campfire and a little tent for him. The next step was to mix up some sand, small rocks, Mod Podge glue, and brown paint, and then spread it on my base to become the ground of my campground. After I had poured my ground, I got to bust out my absolute favorite art tool, the static grass applicator, to add a perfect little lawn to this campground. I finished up by painting the edges of my base black, and then I glued Charmander, his tent, and campfire into place and called it good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it turned out really cute, and if you did too, please like, comment, subscribe, and feel free to check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you next time here on The Victory Forge.